This video is part of a series of tutorials on how to use the PICOL database. In this video, we will explain how to search for certified organic products in PICOL. This video assumes that you are already familiar with searches in PICOL. If you have questions about the search process, you should watch our tutorials on quick and advanced searches. Before we start a search, we should review what we mean by certified organic. While there are several certifiers approved by the U.S. Department of Agriculture's National Organics Program, or NOP, most certifiers do not place their logo on pesticide labels. In PICOL, we currently recognize certification by the EPA and the Organic Materials Review Institute, or OMRI. We are also looking at ways to add organic data from other approved certifiers. Currently, if a state-approved label sent to us from either Washington or Oregon Departments of Agriculture displays the EPA's three-leaf organic logo or the OMRI logo, we mark it in PICOL as organic. The Washington State Department of Agriculture's Organics program is also an approved certifier. However, the WSDA logo does not appear on EPA-registered pesticide labels. It is important to note that we don't actively compare PICOL information with current certification lists from OMRI or the EPA, so PICOL data does not accurately reflect all current information from either of those groups. Organic producers should always work closely with their certifier to make certain they are only using approved inputs that work with their organic plan. In PICOL, there are several different ways to filter for certified organic products. The first and easiest is with an express search. From the home page, click Searches and then Quick. On the left side of the page, you will find several different one-click searches. Select the Organic search. This search will return a list of all products in the PICOL database that display organic certification information on their label. Another way of finding certified organic products is by filtering with the Organic column header on any results screen. As an example, let's search for products with cabbage on the label. This will help narrow our search so we don't get too many results. On the results screen, click the Headers tab and check the box in order to display the Organic column. You can then filter your results by whether they are certified organic or not by entering yes or no in the search box. The third way of filtering for certified organic products is by using a default filter in the advanced search options. Look for it in the Other section. Setting it to Yes from the drop-down menu will ensure that all results from your search are certified organic. Hopefully, this has clarified how to filter for certified organic products in the PICOL database. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at picol.info@wsu.edu. You can also scan the QR code located on the screen or watch more of our tutorial videos. For status updates on the database and news about the pest management community, consider checking us out on Twitter at PICOL_MGR or Facebook at wsu.wsprs. Thank you.